body preparation. Always ensure the correct safety equipment is worn during the application process. Start by cleaning and preparing the surface before sanding and using degreaser to eliminate possible contaminants and dust. Wipe dry with a clean cloth. Using a random orbital sander, sand the coarse scratches on the bare barrel with the Norton Bluefire P80 grit disc to uniform the panel surface. This will prevent primer sinking into scratches and help reduce pinholes. Sand the surrounded painted area to remove any loose paintwork around the edge. Again, remove any debris from the surface which may cause defects in the filler. Mix the filler by slicing and folding in the hardener on a non-porous mixing board using a ratio recommended by the filler manufacturer. Smooth mixing and application will help eliminate or reduce pinholes. Apply the filler to the panel, being careful to keep the filler within the bare metal area. When the filler is dry, apply Norton Defect Guide Coat to highlight any defects and aid sanding. Shape the filled area using a machine or manually using a block with Norton Multi-Air P80 Grit Abrasive to level the filled surface. Wipe off the excess debris to remove sanding dust and inspect for pinholes and low spots. Feather the edge of the filler and surrounding painted area using a Hutchins orbital sander and start by using Norton Multi-Air P120 grit disc, followed by P180 to prepare the surface for primer adhesion. Apply the primer over the repair area, ready for baking.